What are Kapha Kshaya Lakshana? What are the Lakshana or signs and symptoms observed when there is abnormally decreased Kapha Dosha in the body? How to identify these Kapha Kshaya in the body? This is the topic of discussion of this particular video. Dear community members, press the like button and spread this particular video at least one true Nidana learner so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching with the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you think about the Kapha Kshaya Lakshana, it comprises of three different terms: Kapha, Kshaya and Lakshana. The term Kapha referring to Kapha Dosha or Kapha bioenergy or Shleshma bioenergy. Kshaya refers to the abnormally decreased state in the body. Lakshana refers to the clinical features or signs and symptoms. In total, if you add these particular words, Kapha Kshaya Lakshana, so that refers to the signs and symptoms observed when there is abnormally decreased Kapha bioenergy in the body. As far as the Kshaya Lakshana are concerned, in general, that is being said that Vate Pitte Kaphe Chaiva Kshine Lakshana Muchyate Karmanah Prakritadhanihi Vridhirvapi Virodhina. When there is abnormally decreased dosha, there may be possibility of the decreased any one, two or more guna in the body. As far as the outcome of this will be, there will be decreased function that can happen in the body. Kapha dosha is having snigdoshito gurur mandash lakshno mrasnah stirah kapah. When there is decrease of any 1, 2, 3 or all the guna of Kapha dosha as mentioned above, so there will be Kapha Kshaya Lakshana that can be observed. Ashtanga Hridaya says Kafi Brahmaha Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatvam Hridravah Shlata Sandita. When you are observing this Brahma Shleshma Shayana Shunyatvam Hridravah Shlata Sandita, we are going to say that the person is having Kapha Kshaya. Sushruta says Shleshmakshaye Rukshata Antardaha Amashaye Itara Shleshmashaya Shunyata Sandishetilyam Trishna Daurbalyam Prajagaranam cha. So the description, that is Shleshmakshaye Rukshata Antardaha Amashaya Itara Shleshmashaya Shunyata Sandishetilyam Trishna Daurbalyam Prajagaranam cha. When you look into this, Brahma refers to giddiness. Shleshma shayanam shunyata. So emptiness of the sides, sthana of Kapha dosha. Uraha kanta shiraha kloma parvanyama shayorasah. Medo khranam cha jikhvacha. Kafasya sutaramurah. When there is the shunyata or snigdha gunakshaya in these sides, there will be Kapha Kshaya Lakshana that can be observed. Hridravaha. So that is the person will be having palpitation. Shlata Sandita, looseness of the joints will be observed. Rukshata, dryness of the body. Antardaha, burning sensation inside the body or body parts. Trishna, that is the thirst will be there. Daurbalya, that is what we can see, the weakness that may be observed. Prajagarana, so that is the person will be frequently getting awakened at night time. Whereas the Ashtanga Sangraha says Brahmodveshtana Anidra Angamarda Pariploshatodha Dava Daha Spotana Vepana Dhumayana Sandhishaitilya Hridayadrava Shleshmashay Shunyatadibihi Shleshma. So that is the Brahma, giddiness, Udveshtana, that is muscle cramps that may be present. Anidra, the person will be having lack of sleep. Angamarda, generalized body ache. Pariploshaha, it's a type of the burning sensation. Dava, again burning sensation. Daha, again burning sensation. Spotana, that is the formation of the blisters. And Vepana, that is involuntary movements may be there. Dhumakaha, that is the person will be having the feeling of the smoke coming through one's mouth will be there. Sandhisheti, looseness of the joints. Hridayadrava, palpitation, and Shleshma Shaya Shunyata. There is emptiness of the organs of a Kapha Dosha. So these are the Lakshana that may be observed in cases of the Kapha Kshaya. Brahma refers to Chakrarudhasyaiva, as if uh, the cycle or the some kind of the round object is moving one's head over one side. That kind of feeling will be there in cases of the what do you say, that Brahma. The person, in other words, he will be having the giddiness. Shleshma Shunyata. Shleshma Shayanam Uraha Prabhritinam Shunyatvam. So that will be empty. In other words, there will be Snigdha Gunakshaya that may be observed in these organs. Wherein, if the person is having Snigdha Gunakshaya in the Uraha Pradesha, he will be having the breathlessness, etc. Or he will be having, sometimes he may develop cough, etc. In the same way, if the person is having the Snigdha Gunakshaya in the Sandhi, definitely he will be having the pain, or he will be having the severe pain observed in the joints as such. Hridayadravaha, in the sense he will be having the palpitation. That is Hridayadrava anukambayeva pida hridayasya. Hridikampaha, in other words, he will be having the one's own heartbeat can be felt. That is what we can say, the palpitation or Hridayadrava. Sandhi Shaithilya, Shlata Sandhita, or otherwise, there will be the totally dislocated joints may be observed. Rukshata, dryness of the skin, or otherwise body parts may be present. Antardahaha, that is burning sensation may be observed inside the body. This can be attributable to more amount of what you say, that the metabolic processes. Trishna, that is thirst may be present. Daurbalya, weakness to do any of the activities may be observed. Prajagarana, he will be having the anidrata, wherein he will be having the awakening at night time, which will be responsible for the increase of the Ruksha Guna in the body. In other words, which will be leading to the decrease of Snigdha Guna. Thereby the person may have Kapha Kshaya. Muscle cramps may be observed. Angamarda, the generalized body ache. Pariploshaha. So here, Pariplosha refers to Santapat Swalpa Tvagdaha. He will be having the Tvagdaha. So that means the burning sensation observed in the Tvak region or skin, but this is somewhat lesser than the Santapa. That means considered to be the whole body burning sensation as such. Dhavatuhu, ya dhava, that dhagadhakika. Dhakadhak as such, so the particular person, they will be having the terminology. So that means he will be having the severe burning sensation. Dahaha, sarvanga dahanamiva. In the sense, the person will be having the burning sensation all over the body. Spotana, so that is the blister formation may be observed. Vepanaha, that is involuntary movements that may be observed. Dhumayana, so that is the feeling of smoke coming through one's mouth. So that is considered to be the Lakshana of Kapha Kshaya. To sum up, abnormal decrease in the Kapha Dosha is identified by abnormally decreased functions. So that is Kaphe Brahmaha, Shleshma Shayanam Shunyatvam, Hrudravaha Shlata Sandhita. This can be attributable to the decrease of either one or two or more gunas of Kapha Dosha. Snigdho Shito Gurur Mandash Lakshno Mrasna Stiraha Kapha. When there is abnormally exposure to Kapha subsiding etiological factors, we are going to observe Kapha Kshaya Lakshana, which may be seen either generally or locally. Dear community members, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below, and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.